Today is the 42nd birth anniversary of Siddharth Shukla. Siddharth Shukla was among one of the most loved and talented actors in the entertainment industry who impressed the audiences every time with his powerful performances. His acting prowess, charming personality, and genuine nature won the hearts of the masses. His sudden demise left shockwaves in the industry and his fans heartbroken. The actor passed away due to a sudden cardiac arrest in his sleep. Today, on his 42nd birth anniversary, we bring to you a short biography of his as our heartfelt tribute. Siddharth Shukla was born on 12th December 1980 in a Brahmin family in Mumbai and wanted to pursue interior designing as a career, but eventually became an actor. He was the first Asian to win the world's best model title in 2005. He had achieved this feat in a close competition in 2005 in Turkey, where he had prevailed over 40 other contestants from Asia, Latin America, and Europe. He was also the runner-up of Gladrag's Manhunt contest in 2004. After this, he later appeared in TV ad campaigns for Bajaj and ICICI Bank. Soon after, he made his TV debut with the daily soap Babul Ka Angan Chhoote Na. After this, he went on to star in Jaane Pehchane Se Ye Ajnabi in 2009-2010, which was aired on Star One. He followed it with a guest appearance on Pavitra Rishta in 2010 and then starred in Love You Zindagi in 2011. In 2012, he signed up for Balika Vadhu. This became the turning point in his career. In this serial, he had essayed the role of Shivraj Shekhar, a district collector. Over 3 years, he played this character to overwhelming response, winning multiple awards. This character made him a household name and a heartthrob. In 2013, he was a contestant on season 6 of the reality show Jhalak Dikhla Ja and then made a guest appearance in 2014 on celebrity television talk show Comedy Nights with Kapil to promote his Bollywood movie Humpty Sharma Ki Dulhania. In the same year, he was a guest on season 7 of Jhalak Dikhla Ja to support the contestants. In the period 2014 to 2015, he played host on television crime show Savdhan India. In 2019, he participated in the reality show Bigg Boss 13 and was declared the winner in February 2020. He was rated one of the most popular contestants of Bigg Boss 13 and was ranked number 1 throughout 20 weeks. He was voted the most favourite contestant of Bigg Boss 13 in polls conducted by Hindustan Times, India TV News and The Times of India. He was also the most tweeted about contestant of Bigg Boss 13. It was in this reality show that his love for his co-participant Shehnaz Gill began. They had become one of the most loved and talked about couple of the Tinseltown and the entertainment industry. Before Bigg Boss 14 premiere, he was voted as the Bigg Boss greatest of all the times in a series of polls conducted by Colors TV, where 16 popular contestants across all the previous 13 seasons were nominated. He was ranked 5th and 7th in the Times of India's top 20 most desirable men on television in 2017 and 18. And then he was ranked 1st consecutively in the Times 20 most desirable men on television in 2019 and 20. He was announced Hindustan Times most stylish TV personality 2017. He was also placed at the 10th position in the exclusive list of top 12 Indian male hotties of 2017. In 2019, he was the 9th most searched personality in India. His inopportune passing away had left the entire entertainment fraternity in complete shock, and the void left by him would be not easy to fill.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.